Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it is a box that I've had before, but this is a I'm just gonna show you what it is. It's Blob Box. I've had it before. I'll link my other video. Blob Box is a period box that you can buy. This is a one-off box. They are doing a 3-monthly subscription box, and they are hoping to roll out a monthly one. But there's various things you can have in it. You can either have like the moon cup or the menstrual cup, which is what I had before. This one I've got the reusable pad, or you can have regular tampons or pads, whatever you fancy. I'll link their website. So let's have a look. It comes in a purple bag, and go with your flow. Oh, I love the box. It's so cute. So the box looks like this, really cute. Compostable and biodegradable box, which I love. It's Open Meat on the Blob. Now, you're either going to love the name or you're going to hate the name, but I love it. I think it's really good. I know some people associate it negatively, but I think it's a really fun name. So let's just get in. Boxes start at $19.99. And it looks like this. So it says go with your flow, and then in here we've got what is inside your blobber box, and then we've got everyone's period is different, and it says, hello Lucy, here is our heavy blobber box reusable pad, perfect for anyone that wants to trial reusable pads before investing. Your friends and followers can use the code LucyMMS for £5 off their first one-off box from the 11th of March to the 31st of June. I hope you enjoy. So that's really cool. I'll leave the link and the discount code down below for you guys. We've got on here of how to look after your pads. The pads are by a brand called Wear 'em Out. I use reusable pads and period pants anyway, and moon cups. I don't use anything disposable for my period, and I haven't for a long time now. Let me just quickly read this. Yes, it's the same as everything else that I've used. When you want to change your pad, you rinse it out in cold water first before you wash it, just to remove the blood. And people are like, oh, that's disgusting. It's blood. Get over it. We're adults. Not even just the fact we're adults. It's every woman has this, and I just don't understand the stigma behind it. It's good for the environment to use reusable things, and I don't know, it's never bothered me, like having to rinse out. I just don't understand people's issue with it. But some people have an issue, but that's not my issue. And then you just chuck them in with your normal wash up to 40 degrees. You can use your washing powder, but you mustn't use fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, it affects the absorbency of the pads, and it will like shorten the life of the pad. Then you can hand wash it, give your pad some love and wet. So make sure you stretch it and reshape it whilst it is wet. Air dry your pads, no direct heat. I generally just hang mine. I've got like the octopuses from IKEA that I hang all the kids' clothes on. I just hang them and then leave them to dry. And then that's it. So that's about something else. How to apply your mirror decal. Oh, I think this is a mirror decal. Let's have a look. So yeah, this is the box. I just want to see what this is. I love that it's all hand wrapped. It's so cute. You can get the monthly subscription box, not the monthly, the 3-monthly subscription box with tampons, and then they are hoping to do everything, I think, at some point, and then it will be a monthly one eventually. But at the moment, it is a 3-monthly box. Oh, I just dropped a bit. Oh, just go with your flow today, and then a heart. So it's a mirror decal, so you can stick this on. I'm going to stick it on my mirror. And then let's have a look in the actual box. I'm not going to look on the sheet first because I want to be surprised. So this is it. So we've got this. I think this is the pad. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, I haven't got any like this. The ones I currently use, look different to this, but this looks amazing. So this is Wear 'em Out. I've not got any by Wear 'em Out. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go and buy some more because this looks amazing. Mega Flow, your go-to for those heavier than usual days, or those days when you're busier and you need extra confidence. So it looks like this. Oh, I love it already. And then it's just got your how to clean it on the top. And then basically, so this is the pad. This is the bit that comes in contact with your minge, like that. And then you've got this little bit underneath, and look at the print on that. It says Fierce. And you've got poppers. So you essentially just, it's the same as a pad that you can stick in, well, with stickies, but instead of stickies, you got poppers, and you just pop them under your pants. And they're really, really secure. When I first started using them, I was a little bit like, oh, I don't know, it's gonna move, but they don't. They're really, really secure. And this feels way much more secure than the ones I usually use. So yeah, that is the pad. I love it. I'm really pleased with it. I know that you're like, why are you hugging a pad? But I love it. It's good. And then we've got the box of goodies. And then I've got monthly patches, natural ingredients released over 12 hours, discreet and comfortable. 5 patches in here, packed with organic essential oils, cooling comfort where you need it most. Everybody is different. Find out what works best for you. Dry skin before use. Cut open the foil sachet and remove the patch. Apply adhesive patch where you want the cooling effect. Up to 12 hours. Remove using warm water. Cruelty free, no nasties, biodegradable. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like that before. So these are BU monthly patches. Say goodbye to bulky heat pads and refilling hot water bottles, and hello to the comfort on the go with the BU monthly patch. £7.99 for 5. That's amazing. I'm literally just finishing my period, so I will save these for next month. So that's awesome. And then this is the main box. Something here smells so good. Oh, I love these. I've had these before. Native sea salt and pepper popped lotus seeds. These are so good. So these are little lotus seeds from the lotus flower, dried under the Indian sun and popped into a delicious light crunchy snack. Low calorie, vegan and gluten free. $14.99 for a pack of 16. We Are Native snacks. I'll show you. Just because I'm nice, I'll open it and show you. Nothing to do with the fact that I'm starving. I haven't had any lunch yet. I can't remember where I've had these before, but they're really good. I feel like a vegan kind box or something. But they're like little puff balls of goodness. Oh, I dropped it. But they're yummy. And then Emmy Ellie Essie pink satin scrunchies. Sass it up with the pink satin and cream scrunchie, which is perfect for lounging, brunching, or just as an accessory for your wrist. They're really cute little scrunchies. I have always got a scrunchie on my wrist, so these will be added to it, as long as the kids don't try and steal them from me. They're £6. I've got a Miss Patisserie Bath and Body Shower Steamer Jasmine Essential Oil. Really pretty. I think this is what I can smell. Transparent aromatherapy essential oils. Transport aromatherapy essential oils through your steam of your shower. Made with natural jasmine flower, the Love Shower Steamer includes feelings of love and empathy. What do you do with it? Break off one half of the bar and place on the floor, the shower floor. Turn on the water and step into the shower. Inhale the... Oh, that's so cool. Cruelty free. Again, amazing. So you just get out. It doesn't rip the packaging and it's so pretty. Get out. So you break it in half. Look how pretty that is. You just snap it and then you put half on your floor of your shower, put the water on, and then it's like, I love that. That's so cool. And then next I've got Anatomicals Makes Your Skin Brighter. It's If Not You Strawberry and Yarrow Face Mask. That's £1.50. The aromatherapy thing is £7. And then we've got Twining Super Blend Green Tea, Aloe Vera and Cucumber Tea with Strawberry. £2.69 for 20. Obviously this is just a little one for you to try. And then we've got an Apoth & Co lip balm. Super moisturising ingredients in this lip balm includes jojoba and beeswax, coconut oil, peach kernel, avocado and cocoa butter. £14. I love the little thing, the bag it comes in. That's super cute. So it looks like this. Oh, it's got a little lid on. Ooh, and it's just a lip balm. Oh, it smells a bit minty. What's in there that smells minty? I don't know why I can smell, maybe it's beeswax I can smell that's not mint, I don't know. I don't know if that smells minty. Why does it smell minty? It doesn't say anything about mint on it. Definite. Or is it just sweet? I don't know, there's a lot of smells going on at the moment with the Lotus snacks. This smells very intense. Yeah, I'm not even sure I can smell this. I think all I can smell at the moment is this. This is going to taint everything in my room for the foreseeable future, but I'm okay with that because it's a nice smell. So yeah, that was the box. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. I forgot to say this box was gifted to me. I will put it on the start of the screen because someone will just bitch about it. This was gifted to me for review. And I'm very happy about it. I think it's awesome. So all opinions are honest and my own, because no one likes a bullshitter. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Do you like the box? What do you think? I think it's really good. Obviously I know not everyone is going to be into the reusable pads, and that's fine. We can't all do the reusable thing. I know some people just aren't into it, and that's fine. But what do you think of the box in general? Because obviously since PP, who we shall not name, went out of business, we have been missing a period box, and I think this is a really, really good one. So I'm really happy with it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.